and welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Clint Hansen. This is Sarah. We're so happy to be with you guys, celebrating Christmas and joy and cheer and festivities. We hope you like our Christmas decorations. Clint, I do just want to talk about something real quick before we jump into questions.
Okay.
I just feel like we should do something to celebrate Christmas time. I feel like we should do something fun with our viewers.
With those
For
guys?
our viewers.
For
yeah.
them?
These guys, yeah.
And gals.
Yeah.
All right. I've got it.
What?
We're going to do a Q&A, the very first Q&A giveaway.
Yes, I love it.
Free stuff. So barrel of your choice. We'll work it out with you, barrel of your choice. We'll talk about it on the phone.
Wow.
You and I.
What? Barrel of your choice?
Barrel of your choice, swag, shirts. It'll be a nice little goodie bag for you.
Oh
okay?
my gosh.
So.
This is really exciting.
So somewhat of a surprise, except the barrel. We're going to get the one you want. But it's not going to be simple.
Okay.
None of this just liking or a little comment.
Oh. Okay. You gonna make them work for it?
Yeah.
All right, let's have it.
All right. You either have to write a poem, one of those kind of poems,
Haiku.
or a little riddle, little song. Okay.
A song.
At the top of it, state what it is, whether it's a poem, haiku, or a song, and we'll either say it or sing it.
Okay.
Puns are welcome.
Okay.
Creativity and funny stuff is going to be rewarded. As long as it's clean. Keep it clean.
Keep it PG, guys.
And you have until...
The 17th at midnight.
Is that a good night?
That just came
All
to
right.
me.
You have till the 17th of December at midnight to have this done. Yeah, so you got to have it in at midnight. And then we'll actually sing or recite it for the Christmas Q&A.
Wow.
Video.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
It sounds good.
Does that make you feel more jolly?
I'm very jolly. I'm very excited. I can't wait to see these submissions.
I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited too.
Wow. Oh man, tell your friends. Share this with your friends, because the more submissions, the better. I just can't wait to see what y'all send. All right, are you ready for questions?
I sure am.
I too am ready for questions. Let me just pull out my handy dandy notebook. I mean cell phone. What? I didn't watch Blue's Clues. Okay. Ballistic Tactics and Martial Science says, ooh, that's fancy. I have your 13.7 barrel. I am having issues finding the right handguard length for the seamless transition to the muzzle. What size handguard do you recommend?
Right off the bat, keep it simple, go with a 12-inch. We didn't really make the 13.7 to accommodate any sort of rail system, but you got a couple different options, I guess. There's a few people who make a 13-inch rail. However, it will butt up a little too far on the barrel, and if you have a muzzle brake or something, that's a big tip. You don't want your muzzle brake or something inside of the rail. That blast has got to go somewhere, and it could blow up your rail, your hands out there, and it's not going to be safe. So make sure your muzzle device is past your rail, unless you're shrouding it. You have a big enough rail like Air Precision. Their larger rails can shroud most suppressors, so that's a good look as well. But I think what he's asking, I think he's wanting it to be seamless transition between rail, muzzle device, and or suppressor. So keep it simple, go with a 12-inch rail. That's what I do. It looks just fine. You don't have too much rail sticking out, so.
Awesome.
12-inch rail.
Thank you, Mr. Hansen, for that fantastic answer. Thank you so much for that fantastic question. Guess what? We have more questions. Our next question is from our friend, Dr. Jinx.
Doctor
Jinx says, I'm wondering if you have any suggestions for installing the Superlative Arms gas block on a BA barrel. The instructions for the SA block calls for a 0.025 gap between the shoulder and the gas block to properly align to the gas port. Do you have any suggestions for ensuring this is done properly and the gas block is aligned? What say ye, Clint?
Well, as soon as you're done with this video, I want you to go back to episode 3 of Q&A. Watch that video, it'll give you cool little tips on how to install a low-profile gas block. So, be a little redundant here. But in terms of the gap, if that's what Mr. Russo and Superlative Arms say to do, then I say do that. However, you don't have to be blind with it. You can use your eyeballs for alignment, but you can also take that low-profile gas block, turn it upside down while it's loose on your barrel, remove the rear screw, and you'll actually see the hole that can mirror the hole that's on the other side of the low profile gas block, that's going to be adjacent to the gas port. So once you flip that over, you'll see what spacing you need, because it could vary depending on if you have, say, an 18-inch rifle length gas system, SPR, the gas port's a little bigger. So why guess or just go by that rule of thumb, especially different barrel manufacturers out there. Who knows what their shoulder is? Was that barrel correct? You never know. You know, not just with our barrel, but with any. This is a good rule of thumb. Yeah, that's about it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mr. Hansen.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jenks, for that wonderful question. We so appreciated it. Guys, we hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We do new Q&A videos every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true. And guys, don't forget about this contest. It's definitely worth doing. Please comment below all your submissions. We want to see a poem, a song, or a haiku. You can title it, you can be very witty, you can include all sorts of Christmassy wonderful things. You can also include glitter. You know I would like that. Extra points for glitter. We'll have more details for this contest in the description for this video. And yeah, don't forget they're due by the 17th at midnight. December 17th at midnight. All right, we cannot wait to see what you guys send us. Yay! Christmas feelings.
Christmas feelings.
Christmas feelings.
Merry Christmas. We're here in the BA Armory, ready to do a little filming and answer your questions. We're not rapping.
Oh.
No.
That idea just came to me.
No.
But I love to rap. I want to rap. I need to take rap lessons.
No, don't do that either.
You guys remember my sweatshirt episode?
Rap isn't something you do, it just happens.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
No. Unless your name is Ice Cube, you don't rap.
I could change my name to Ice Cube.
No.